up, you guys? Today we're gonna go over tight hip flexors. A lot of my clients will come and tell me they have lower back pain, and a lot of times that can be attributed to tight glutes. Then we can get the tight hamstrings, and then also tight hip flexors. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna show you how to do the hip flexors. I already have videos of how to stretch your guys' glutes and hamstrings, so you guys can check those videos out. But getting us into the hip flexors, I have a pad here. You guys don't need a pad. If you guys want, you guys could always just do it from the ground. But for comfort level, I like to grab a pad. You guys can grab a pillow or anything nice and soft that you can put on the ground. But all you're gonna do is you're gonna put the knee down. The knee that's down is gonna be the hip flexor that you're stretching. So for example, I'm putting my left knee on the pad. I'm gonna be stretching my left hip flexor. Then we're gonna take a nice big step. With that, I'm trying to get that 90 degrees with that front foot. So before I start leaning forward or anything, I'm gonna tighten my glute that's down. So my left leg, I'm gonna tighten that left glute or that left butt cheek so I can lock the hips into place so they're not moving around and so I'm not taking away from the stretch. So I'm gonna tighten up that glute. Once I get that nice and tight, then I can lean into it. You guys will then feel it in the hip flexor, you'll feel the stretch. Once you guys get that, just hold it. To make it a little more intense, I have people go and they're gonna grab their hands. We're gonna come over and we're gonna reach over our back. I don't want you guys twisting because that's not gonna get the stretch that we're looking for. I want you guys to reach over your back, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna feel a nice, big, intense stretch coming to that after you guys add that twist because of the rotation that we're putting in our torso. I want you guys to come here and then I want you to hold that for about a minute to anywhere from a minute to 3 minutes. As you guys are gonna notice, it's gonna get more intense as you guys stay in that position. So try to do it as often until the pain goes away, and I hope this helped. I'll see you guys next time.